what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 Vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to share on how to carry out the inspection of main engine scavenge space cleaning guys. So after scavenge space cleaning of air receiver and under piston, then we have to carry out the full inspection of our engine guys. So this PMS is to be done in every month. So the frequency of this PMS guys, the cleaning of scavenge space inspection and inspection of our engine is to be done in every month guys interval. So it depends on your company. At certain hours, running hours of our main engine, then you have to follow what is your PMS. So in our case, our PMS is to be done at every month. So what is the purpose of this scavenge space cleaning guys? Basically the purpose of this is to ensure that our engine is efficient, smoking efficient guys, and adequate and sufficient also. So what is the purpose of this case is to inspect, to ensure that our engine, our piston rings, our pistons, cylinder liners, walls, scavenge space are free and clean. We have to ensure that the passage and the drainage of all the scavenge sludge are free, and those particles, sludge particles that are hard and cannot drain, then manually we have to collect that guys. That's sludge. So manually we have to collect that, and that's the purpose of our scavenge space cleaning. We have to ensure that our engine are working good and efficient. So we have to ensure also that all piston rings are intact and adequate, oil properly lubricated and oil wet, and our piston grounds, there's no leakages from there. We can check from piston ground itself that there is no leakages from our fuel injectors, and any abnormalities you can find in the engine, you can check it from scavenge space inspection guys. So at the same time, we're cleaning the scavenge space under piston, the receiver, then we're also conducting inspection on our engine guys. We must be sure, as chief engineer, we must be sure that our engine is really working well. So in this video guys, I will show you the inspection guys, our engine, and let's go.
So here we are now guys at the scavenge space receiver. So first of all guys, in every job that we have to carry out, there is always a checklist that we have to follow guys. So one of those requirements is the enclosed space entry permit, the risk assessment. That includes the checking of the atmosphere of our tank in this enclosed space, that we have to check guys, that we have to ensure that no any gases, no any harmful gases, and we have to ensure also that this is the very important that the oxygen level is adequate guys before we proceed to cleaning and before we enter in every enclosed spaces guys. So at this moment we the engine team are cleaning the scavenge space prior for inspection guys. So that's the solid particles that is still in the engine side, in the scavenge air receiver, that is unable to drain. So manually we have to collect that, and after collecting that, our team has ensured that all drains are free, so that the liquid part of the scavenging liquid sludge are free to drain. So at this moment we are now inspecting with my second engineer inside guys. So here we come to the scavenge air receiver. So this is the scavenge air receiver of our engine guys. As we can see, you can see this is the space, the under piston space that we had already cleaned, and we have to check and inspect everything that we clean. So these are the flaps, the air valves. This is the flaps. We have to check that it is moving freely. The water mist catcher, and from down beneath guys is the air cooler. And we have to check also that everything is free there's no obstruction, that everything must be in normal condition. As you can see guys, this is the, by the way, the amount of sludge when we clean it every month, it depends on the voyage guys. So in this case we have only short voyage, so the amount of sludge is just minimal. So as you can see, this side is the auxiliary blower of the main engine guys. You have to check all the drains, the ringlands, so before we taking this video guys, we had already checked the clearance, the ring groove clearance and piston crowns and the cylinder walls of the engine. So everything is good and normal and within the limits, tolerance limits, all the ring groove clearance guys. So this is the space that we have to clean. This is very important to conduct inspection and cleaning every month as the frequency as the company and manual instruction guys. So this is very important that we have to follow in every port. So everything is normal and good condition guys. So when we completed our inspection, it is very important also that we have to ensure that no any remaining rags, any and other materials, cleaning materials that is remain in the engine. It's very important to collect and to recheck, to double check guys, that everything is out, everything is free. So we have confirmed guys that our engine is good and no any abnormalities, no any deficiencies, and we already double check that no any remaining rags or cleaning materials. So that's the procedure guys. In my separate video I will upload on how to check the piston rings and the ring grooves, piston crowns and the cylinder walls, cylinder liners. In this video, this is only inspection and cabin space cleaning guys. So I hope you learned something about this video guys. If you have any comment or suggestion, please comment down below. And thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone. This is JB23 vlog. Bye bye.